Morning students, today we discuss about mobile system organization. As we know that in today's world, handheld smartphones have replaced the computer system to a great extent. Although a smartphone have greater processing or computing power, it is still much less than a computer system. Mobile device working. A mobile phone or a smartphone is essentially a two-way radio consisting of a radio transmitter and a radio receiver. Mobile is the sender through which the signals are transmitted to the tower, and then tower send these signals to a local wireless access point. That tower sends signals to the remote wireless access point and back to the mobile. Suppose we want to टॉक विद सपोज मैंने किसी को फ़ोन करना, तो मेरे जो मोबाइल फ़ोन है उससे सिग्नल्स ट्रांसफ़र हुए टावर के पास, देन टावर से लोकल वायरलेस एक्सेस पॉइंट पे, देन उस लोकल वायरलेस एक्सेस पॉइंट से अगेन उस ट्रांसमीटर या उस रिसीवर फ़ोन के पास सिग्नल्स गए. सो इट इज़ अ two-way radio consisting of a radio transmitter and a radio receiver. Mobile phone components. A mobile phone consists of a circuit board, which is known as the brain of the phone, an antenna, a liquid crystal display or the screen, a keyboard or a touch screen, a microphone, speaker and a battery. The mobile operating system controls the entire functioning of a mobile device. Now, different types of touch screens. TFT, thin film transistor LCD display is used for better image quality and high resolution. Since they are cheap to manufacture, they are found in budget phones usually. Then IPS, in-place switching. LCDs are somewhat the advanced version of TFT LCDs in a way that they offer improved display and are more battery friendly. Hence, they are found in high-end phones. Resistive and capacitive. These are generally two types of touchscreen LCD display. Resistive touchscreen has two layers of conductive material with a small gap between them, while capacitive touchscreen consists of a layer of glass coated with transparent conductor. Capacitive screens tend to be more responsive than resistive screens and are therefore found in high-end phones mostly. Then OLED, organic light emitting diodes, is a new technology used in mobiles and monitors for display. They are better than LCDs because they offer fast response times, wider view angles and higher brightness. AMOLED, active matrix organic light emitting diode, and Super AMOLED display the types of OLED display. OLED display includes passive matrix OLEDs, active matrix LEDs and transparent OLEDs. Now, smartphone batteries and their types. Batteries plays a huge role in smartphones. The different types of batteries are lithium polymer batteries. They are the most advanced batteries available in the market. They are made up of a plastic instead of metal, which makes them usable on a smartphone of any type. The lithium polymer batteries do not suffer from memory effect and offer 40% more battery life than others. Then lithium ion batteries are advanced and allow for a high charge capacity based on the size and weight of the battery. However, these are slightly expensive. These lithium ion batteries will not remember the charge cycle, and as a result, the battery capacity will not be reduced. then nickel cadmium. These are the cells that suffer from memory effect, and the memory effect will result in reducing the capacity of the battery and its lifespan. The nickel metal hydride batteries are kind of an upgrade to the nickel cadmium batteries, and they boost the size and they boast of the same size as the latter. Nickel metal hydride batteries offer 30 to 40% more battery juice than the others, and battery size are measured in mAh, like 2000 mAh, 4000 mAh, etc. Now the basic mobile system organization. As we know that a mobile OS controls the entire functioning of a mobile device through the extensive use of various mobile applications and supports wireless communication. It is capable of handling endless application, be sending a text message, making a call, supporting multimedia formats for sending audio video files, etc. These are the basic components of a mobile system. It have a RF transceiver or a SIM, radio signal management, then a display subsystem है, touch screen, keyboard, display screen, camera unit for image signals or processors. Then it has a communication processor and APU, application processing unit, and GPU, graphic processing unit. Storage system है, then power management, battery pack, battery management, charger, then codec, ADC, DAC, RAM and ROM is for memory. It mainly consists of 3 units: application processing unit, graphic processing unit, and communication processing unit. APU, the application processing unit of a mobile processor, works the same way as the control unit of a computer. It is responsible for controlling the entire set of tasks and execution that takes place inside a mobile system. Then graphic processing unit or GPU. GPU processes graphical and visual data, so it is responsible for sending web pages and for gameplay. Then we have a communication processing unit. The communication processing unit is the unit which controls the call making and receiving mechanism on a smartphone. It coordinates with middleware software present inside a mobile phone and is composed of a digital signal processor that coordinates with transceiver or a receiver and audio subsystems. And this audio signal management unit, radio signal management unit, this unit is responsible for connecting SIM, subscriber identity module, to the base station through radio signals. And then audio subsystem, this subunit converts the voice signal into digital signal and vice versa. Then we have a DAC, and digital to analog converter, convert digital signal into analog audio signal. ADC, analog to digital converter, converts analog audio signal received from the person who is making the call into digital form so that the mobile processor can work on it. These components are fabricated on a single chip. The entire integration is described as SoC, system on a chip. Thus, we can describe SoC as CPU plus GPU plus display processor plus radio signal processor plus video processor. Then we have a camera unit, image signal processor. An integrated image signal processor provides the image processing interface. It is designed to deliver a tightly bound image processing package and enable an improved overall picture and video experience. It provides a complete set of image processing like image capturing, high resolution support, etc. Then a display unit. The display of a smartphone provides a touch screen that activates touch sensors of the mobile system and respond to the instructions given by the user using this sensor enabled screen and display. Then memory unit have RAM and ROM. RAM is a random access memory and ROM is the read-only memory. Power management or a battery management. A mobile phone battery is the main source of power supply. Almost all mobile phones are equipped with lithium ion batteries, and the battery capacity is measured that indicates how much electricity a battery can give. For smartphones, capacity is measured in mAh, and the large capacity of a battery provides longer operation time without recharging. Now, functions of different components of a mobile device. First is RF transceiver, receive and send audio signals from mobile device. SIM, a subscriber identity module, is an integrated circuit that stores the international mobile subscriber identity number and its related key, which is used to identify and authenticate subscribers on the mobile telephone devices. Battery pack. Batteries are the miracle of chemical engineering, holding huge amount of energy to keep mobile device running for hours. Battery management, an electronic system that manages a rechargeable battery, such as by protecting the battery from operating outside its safe operating area, monitoring its states, calculating secondary data, reporting that data, etc. So this is all about the mobile system organization. Thank you.